still that wetland angel. Sing this song for me.
This next recipe is they all have some form of very good health reasons why we do them. And this one has to do about strawberries, avocados, and baby spinach. And Joni, take it away.
So it is nutrient dense combination, and it is supports heart health, immunity, reduces inflammation, and improves digestive health.
Yeah, perfect, no?
Perfect.
Still that wetland angel. Sing this song for me.
Hey, little dandelion, through the cracks in the sidewalk, growing in silence.
Wine is always good. I'm Harry. This t-shirt is over 30 years old. I love it.
Let's feature that t-shirt today.
And this spinach salad with Manitoba strawberries.
Delicious. That's my that's my all-time favorite. Whoa.
Fantastic.
Wine is always good.
And Joni, what are we featuring here today? We always have these great salads for every day, but tell me what we're featuring here today.
Here today, we're featuring Manitoba strawberries, fresh in July. So Manitoba has the fabulous strawberries for a few weeks, and they are good. So you made a wonderful salad featuring the strawberries, the spinach, baby spinach, avocados, and topped with a bit of lemon juice, like that, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil drizzled.
Yeah.
And let's taste. My favorite. You must have berries every day.
These berries are not like the ones we had in at Thompson Village there. Where were we? In
Thompson Village?
well, we went to see Thompson's in
in Malaysia when we went into the tea plantations and the hills and in the hills of the highlands they call them.
Yeah, but they had no taste there.
Full of strawberries, but no, these are way better.
Full of all they did was use pesticides. It was incredible.
Don't even
Not
say
here.
the word because.
Not here.
So, anyways, these are really good, and you must have some avocado every day. We try and have at least half an avocado each.
Right.
Some citrus and So.
Do you think we could say ciao now?
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Ciao.
Oh yeah, ciao.
stay tuned for video number 3, which has to do with, Joan?
A cold salmon with a garlic mustard date sauce recipe.
And damn, wine is always good.
I know,
no?
I was going to tell you, you forgot. But I didn't want to stop it.